Students, we will discuss about today major pressure and wind belts of the world. Major pressure belts and also the wind belts of the world. So this is the earth, and middle portion you can get that 0 degree line. 0 degree means it is equator, line of equator or 0 degree. So 0 degree to 30 degree north and 0 degree to 30 degree south. This area actually the equatorial low pressure zone and subtropical high pressure zone. So the northern hemisphere, this is the northern hemisphere. So at the northern hemisphere, the wind is all the time moving from northeast to southwest. Northeast to southwest. And southern hemisphere it is opposite, from southeast to northwest. From southeast, this is the southeast to northwestern side. This is called actually the Hadley sail. This is called actually the Hadley sail. Then 30 degree to 60 degree, actually it's temperate zone, not too much hot and not too much cold enough, temperate zone. And here one region, that region is known as the subpolar low pressure zone. Subpolar low pressure zone or circumpolar low pressure zone. So here all the time northern portion southwesterlies. Northern portion means northern hemisphere means southwesterlies. Southwesterlies means south to northward flow of the wind. South to northward flow of the wind. And southern hemisphere means northwesterlies. That means from north to southward movement of the wind. North to southward movement of the wind. And the next one, 60 degree to 90 degree north and 60 degree to 90 degree south, it is called the polar easterlies. And the zone is called the polar sail. But 30 degree to 60 degree is known as the Ferrel sail. These three sails are there in our earth. So here this zone all the time follow 0 degree to 30 degree. You see the arrow all the time. Here also northeast to southwest and southern hemisphere same southeast to northwest. And here I have written that one 0 degree to 5 degree north and south, it is called equatorial low pressure. Equatorial low pressure. 30 degree to 35 degree north and south, it is subtropical high pressure. 60 degree to 65 degree north and south, subpolar low or circumpolar low pressure. And 90 degree north and south, it is polar high pressure. So you can follow this one. In between 0 degree to 30 degree, you can get the trade wind. 30 degree to 60 degree, you can get the westerlies. And 60 degree to 90 degree, you can get the easterlies. Thank you. You can follow this one.